Guess what, Dan?
Oh man, ladies and gentlemen, guess what's back?
Exciting moment right here. You can't even see it yet. Just let it roll out. I'm gonna surprise you guys.
Once this thing comes out, then I'll tell you what we're doing to it.
Take a guess what's in the trailer. You got 10 seconds. Never mind 5. He's back.
Everybody, pause. Comment down below what you think is in the trailer. It almost looks black from right here. But no, guys, so this is the Midnight Purple 2 show and display R34. He bought this from a guy that we imported it for a couple months ago. And yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to this. I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing to it, but we're not gonna ruin the car.
Park it like it's hot.
Let's just put it that way. We're not doing any body, anything like that. We're gonna increase the power of it, we'll put it that way. We want to be able to increase the power, but also be able to take it back to 100% stock condition as it is in now. This thing's so good. I love this car so much.
You better send pics to him and say it's here.
Oh, I already did.
Oh, okay.
No, man, I'm telling you that.
So flopping. Look at that flop. Doing a good job, Beach. Great job.
I scrubbed, therefore I am.
That's how you get your stress out. You just come over here and just grab a handful.
And squeeze really tight.
Yeah.
Then you let it out.
Yeah.
I squeeze really tight. And then let it. Woo.
Kevin and I have we've been working. We got the motor back in this SR. So just quick overview. We got it here. Sam brought it to us and was like, "Hey, this car apparently hasn't run in 3 years. Can you guys take a look at it?" We got a new head and a new block, and then the spool 2.2 stroker. And CJ's polishing a Supra. Andy's working on a Supra. We got Supra S13. R32.
Nice combination, right?
It is. Like, I mean, let me just back up and look at the shop right now. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, apparently this is what we do. We're working.
We got something in. I want to take it in the back and show Devin. This right here, ICE Engine Works. Stands for Internal Combustion Engine Works. We got some new slat board up, or peg board, whatever you want to call it. Got a couple engines apart in here. Just tried to like neaten things up in here. Another stainless table. It's looking real good in here. Easy to work. We got Josh working on his favorite car of all time, the 240.
Yeah, exactly. You know, I've always wanted one of these things.
Yeah. Josh has always said to us how much he wants one of these. Engine ready to go in a GTR. We got CJ doing a blow job on this cross member subframe.
Gotta keep the name up somehow, working on the blowjob skills.
Look what we got.
Oh
Look what we got. Oh, it is
Ice Engine Works.
Ice Engine Works is definitely focusing now. And this is a kit. Basically, you can see from this picture here that you can build your turbo manifold.
It's basically
I see. And that rubber insert makes it so you
nice and snug fit.
put that sucker in there
And then, you know,
like
we
it's
can-
welded on.
We can come in here and pop a bunch of these things on.
And then build the turbo manifold
Build
out
it.
of Legos before you actually start cutting and welding.
And then you get halfway through and you're like, oh, now I gotta cut all my tacks and start over, and now these pieces are ruined, and
Right.
saves money.
Saves
Not so
time.
much. It kind of does save time. It
Well,
really does.
Plus, because we can build it out and then we can look at it and we could say, I don't know, I don't like the way this runner looks or whatever. And then we can fix it to exactly the way we want before we get started. So, in essence, it will save time.
Yeah, it will.
And a lot of material.
A stitch in time saves 9. Whatever the hell that means.
You're a poet now? I think last time y'all saw it, I had the vent sketched out on here. I didn't have them cut out. I think I might have had this back panel done. But anyways, just another rundown, just in case y'all haven't seen. I went ahead and the factory covers, the intercooler piping comes over here, and there's a notch. We made that mirrored side to side. The factory covers also has these breathers that come up and over, and they loop to each other, and they go wherever they go on the factory car. But
they kind of just connect to each other right here,
and then they go,
into like a PCV valve
yeah.
that lets it draw air from the crankcase back into the intake, which is not the best because now you're recycling that oily air back into your combustion chamber, and that's how you get nasty buildup on your valves and pistons and things like that. So
Gunk.
yeah, gunk. I think that's a technical term for it.
Technical term over here. Made a cover for the igniter.
Well, where's it gonna vent? How's it gonna vent?
Well, underneath here, I've got it all bolted up at the moment, but underneath here, we got a bridge like a 2J. So
I think that was on the other block.
I'm pretty sure that was.
Yes.
But just in case y'all missed it, there's two 12AN rubber lines that come across side to side of the valve covers, and then
so this one vents into this one, and then we're gonna vent out of the side of this one into a catch can
over here in this corner.
And this is just so we can keep this nice and clean looking.
Well, also it's also function because this RB30 is up really high compared to the RB26 that's normally in this car, and the hood was hitting the factory bungs up here. So by the time we put a bung and then an AN line at 12AN 90 or something that's like that tall, it's going to wind up hitting the hood. It's not going to look the best.
Right.
So we went ahead and did that, and then the timing belt cover we went ahead and cut up and made all one piece.
I see that.
The whole coil pack cover.
The center cover and the timing belt cover is all one piece now.
It's beautiful.
It's really nice. I like the way it looks a lot. And you know, this is all going to be filled in with the cam gears and the bracket that's going to hold the mechanical fuel pump over here and the cam sensor right here.
The intercooler piping is all done. This is 4-inch meaty boy, the 3.5.
3.5 goes right into the intercooler.
Yep.
At that point there. Okay. And then I think we had this side shown last time.
I think this side was already shown last time.
But we'll show it again because it's beautiful.
People are coming back, haven't seen the last video.
And then this is new.
Yes,
okay.
that is new.
So we got a billet collector. This is the billet collector right here. It's 6-to-1 collector. It's got a spot here for the wastegate.
The big boy.
It's massive.
Gigantic.
See, look at
precision.
it. Look at it next to his head.
Well, he's got a gigantic head. It's not a good example.
Wow. He's talking.
We could
Man, I got a big head.
find
It's all them
something
brains up there.
else.
That's what Mama told me.
Big brain. We don't quite know where this thing's going. It is massive.
It is massive. It's like another turbo. We're gonna look at maybe getting a tile 60.
Yeah, because this is
smaller.
a 66. We don't quite need a 66. A 60 would be perfect.
Thank you, Precision, for building awesome
parts
Oh, yeah.
for turbo
But
systems.
they just don't make a 60 mil.
It's just gigantic.
Expensive adult Legos
It is. It's not cheap, but for the amount of time
that you're gonna save doing this
and
then
materials that we're gonna save by having this, it's so worth it. It's so worth it. I mean, look at this. Look at how fast.
Devin, here, you're gonna make this first runner like this. This is how it looks.
A lumpy turd. We
Fall
could
asleep.
almost make a donut.
What is this?
That is the fancy dancy little turntable.
Okay.
I can. So
All right.
basically, so I don't do start and stops on the V-band. It looks better, nice consistent weld. I can sit there with both pedals on both feet and just drop it in.
Okay, so it's so you can have a continuous weld without having to stop and turn your piece of material,
Yes.
whatever you're welding
Yeah.
on. We got this awesome welding table that your awesome boss bought for you, Devin.
Yes,
What
he
is
did.
this? What kind of
Bill
table
Pro
is this?
welding table. It's a fixture table, so
Okay.
you can come in with vice grips or really the only one I really
They make
know.
fixtures.
Yeah,
that go in here
They make
that-
C clamps that basically just lock down in these holes, and you can hold whatever in the middle of the
That
table.
your boss
Yeah.
hasn't bought for you yet. Those pieces.
Yeah, I mean he's
We're working
he's
on
a
it.
good boss. He paid a lot of money for this. I've got C clamps that'll reach in about yay, so it's okay. If y'all remember, a few episodes back on Rival, I was building tubs.
Yeah.
This thing came in so
And
handy.
this is what you use.
Yeah, so beautiful. It works good. Back here, AC machine right above me.
Oh
I'm
man,
just back here.
you do have a good boss.
I do, man. I don't know.
But anyway, we put up more of this pegboard, slot board, whatever you want to call it, wall control.
Wall control.
Thank you, wall control. We're looking for sponsors, by the way. So,
They are our sponsor. What are you talking
oh
about?
yeah, they are our
Yeah,
sponsor.
that's-
Jet is our sponsor.
Yeah, is that what we decided? We're just gonna
We're just gonna tell
we're just gonna
everybody
tell
that everyone's a sponsor.
everything's a
Yeah.
sponsor. Yeah.
Wall control sponsor. We bought these stainless steel tables from Websteront.
They're also
No, they're
a sponsor.
they're Eagle Group. So
They
thank you,
are
Eagle
Eagle
for the
Group.
sponsorship.
Yes, thanks Eagle Group for the sponsorship for the stainless steel work tables and benches. They're awesome. Mac Tools.
Not a sponsor.
Thank you, Mac Tools,
And
for
Snap-on.
sponsoring us. And Snap-on Tools. Again, thank you for the sponsorship.
Thank you
we
guys.
Really
we
appreciate
really
it.
appreciate
We
it.
do.
Comes in handy. We use this stuff every day,
Yeah.
When am I getting a credit for my Snap-on sponsorship?
The credit for your Snap-on sponsorship.
Yeah.
Oh, you're saying you are
yeah.
the sponsor.
Yeah. I brought that to Driver
Oh,
Motorsports,
okay,
so
okay.
there ain't no way to Snap-on sponsored that through Driver Motorsports. You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha. Check it out. Amplifier on this side. Sub box on that side. So nice. Rival GTR. So as soon as we're done filming, what we'll do is we'll go upstairs to our Nuke inventory shelf of all our Nuke products. That's Nuke Fuel Systems. Alright, Nuke Performance. See that right there? Nuke Performance. Thank you, Nuke Performance, for the sponsorship. Thank you very much. We'll do that then, okay?
Cool.
We'll go upstairs and we'll check out what we got, and we'll bring it out here and we'll go over it all.
Cool.
We'll figure out what we don't have and we'll order it.
I like it.
Okay. That's it. Bye.